Today, we're taking a first look at the Pixel 9 Pro XL, thanks to an in-depth hands-on video and leaked marketing materials that confirm the specs and colors. Make sure to hit subscribe, and let's dive right in. First, let's go over the leaked marketing materials. While I can't show the actual images, I can describe the details. The Pixel 9 lineup includes a 6.3-inch display for the standard model and a 6.8-inch display for the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Both feature the Tensor G4 chipset, with 16 GB of RAM for the Pro models and 12 GB for the non-Pro versions. The Pro models have a 42MP selfie camera, while the non-Pros have a 10.5MP selfie camera. Both versions come with a 50MP wide-angle and a 48MP ultra-wide camera, but only the Pro models include an additional telephoto lens. Google's new Gemini AI features include Pixel Screenshot, which helps you find saved information more easily, and Cool Notes, which lets you transcribe phone calls. As expected, there is no power brick in the box, just the phone, a USB-C adapter, a USB-C cable, and a SIM tool. Next, let's discuss the colors. The marketing materials reveal 4 colors: obsidian black, porcelain, beige, pink rose, and what appears to be hazel, a greenish hue. The previously rumored orange color is actually pink. Now, onto the hands-on video of the Pixel 9 Pro XL, courtesy of the YouTube channel Android News. This 19-minute video shows the physical device in detail, confirming the new flat edge design and geometric patterns on the back, indicating it's a prototype. The video showcases the device's exterior without powering it on, likely because it doesn't boot up. The Pixel 9 series is set to launch on August 13th. Along with the standard and Pro models, we'll also see the new Pixel 9 Pro Fold. For now, let's go through the full specs, design, and expected pricing to help you decide which model is right for you. The standard Pixel 9 features a 6.3-inch flat display with Gorilla Glass Victus 2, a 120Hz Full HD OLED screen with improved color accuracy and peak brightness. It has a 10.5MP selfie camera and a dual rear camera setup with a 50MP wide-angle and a 48MP ultra-wide camera. Powered by the Tensor G4 chipset, it comes with 12 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of UFS 4 storage. The expected battery capacity is around 4,600 mAh with fast charging capabilities, supporting 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7, and shipping with Android 15. It is expected to be priced around $799. Overall, the Pixel 9 series offers significant improvements in software, AI features, and design. While it may not be a must-have upgrade for Pixel 8 users, those with older models or looking for their first Pixel will find these new phones to be a great choice. The official launch is on August 13th, and with Google's track record for leaks, we should have a full hands-on look soon. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any updates.